No matter what industry you're in, it seems like the top talk of the town is AI. In fact, 99% of Fortune 500 companies are already using it. So I think it's safe to say the future is AI. And you can either use it and it'll make you a bunch of money, or it puts you out of a job. When new technology rolls around, unfortunately, people lose their jobs because that new technology is both efficient and more affordable to use it versus employees. And that's what's happening right now. But there's a huge opportunity for you. When the internet was first popularized, same with Amazon FBA, dropshipping, SMMA, and countless other business models, people made a bunch of money because they got in on an opportunity early. The same is happening with the AI industry. The earlier you get on it, the more you can make. So in this video, I'll be showing you exactly how I got started, how you can learn the skills so you can be successful in the AI space, the different business models you can choose, how to build a brand and a portfolio, and lastly, how to market your services. So let's just jump straight into it. So the way I got started is with a chatbot business. I developed lead gen and customer service chatbots for different businesses. And this right here is my website. It's called metamelders.com if you want to come check it out as an example, or to take notes. And as you can see down in the bottom right hand corner, there's a chat icon. This is a chatbot I developed with VoiceFlow, which is an amazing tool if you want to get into a chatbot industry as well. You need to be using this. It's basically drag and drop. You don't need to learn pretty much any code, maybe just a little bit, so you can build better chatbots, but it's really easy to use. I love the tool. To me, it's the best platform to build chatbots on, so go check it out because all the big businesses are already using VoiceFlow. But like I was saying, this right here, once people come to my website and click on this, as you can see, it comes up with a message. Hi, I'm Billy. What can I do for you? And then it's services, submit a form, or schedule a call. So let's say somebody wanted to submit a form to me. Then it would ask for their first name. So they will put in their first name and then their email address. And then they will provide the details of what they need, their project or anything of the sort. So they will just put this in. I'm going to just say test for now. And then right here was asking for their budget. So let's say it was less than 5,000, less than 10K, or less than 20K they just submitted. So let's say it's less than 10K. Then we'll ask if this information is correct, and so if it is, they will say yes. If it's no, of course they will say no, so I will hit yes. And then it will say thank you, your form has been submitted, and do you need anything else? So when this happens for me, let's go over to my email address. I get the submission straight to my email that for anyone that puts this in for my website, so I can easily contact them now. It was all automated. I hadn't had to do any work. So this is why businesses would want to use this versus having regular call centers and everything where you would have to wait 5, 10, 15 minutes to get in touch with somebody. This is very efficient. So this is why chatbot business can save companies a lot of money. Okay, the first thing you need to do, of course, is learn the skills. If you're brand new to AI and brand new to this space, you can't service a business correctly if you don't know what you're doing. So you need to take a month, 2, maybe even 3 months to just learn the skills. And the best way to do this is by reading ebooks and guides. If you want to go this route, I do have a free ebook. I'll put it in the description below so you just can click on it and read it. It's all about explaining how you can start up a chatbot business. So give it a read if you want. And the second way is by learning from YouTube videos. I did this as well. I just went to YouTube and learned all I could about AI and building a chatbot business, and it was very informative. It's a lot of good videos on YouTube about how you can start a chatbot business. And the third way is by if you can find different courses that people are selling and buying them, or even free courses. This is a good way to go also to teach you the skills. And if you want to go to LinkedIn or somewhere and try to find a mentor, someone that can help you out and teach you all the mistakes that they made so they can guide you on the right path, this is also an amazing way to go. And lastly, you can learn from Coursera. This is the route that probably taught me the most skills from Coursera. I'll show you the one I took. But if you don't know what Coursera is, it's just a platform for schooling where you can earn different degrees and certificates in various amounts of industry. So I highly recommend checking it out. I've taken quite a few courses on here. It's an amazing platform, but it does cost $50 per course that you take. So just keep that in mind. But this is the one I took, Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. It taught me a lot about software engineering, being a software developer, prompt engineering, just the intro to AI in general. And you can come in as a complete beginner and leave out with quite a few skills. It took me around 4 months to complete this whole course, so it didn't take that long. And like I said, it costs like $50 if you want to start this up. I highly recommend it because it's just going to teach you a lot of skills that you will be using if you start up in the AI industry. And next, once you learn those skills, you need to choose your industry. This is where you pick what business you want to go into and where you want to spend your time in. You can sell consulting services or courses to educate businesses and entrepreneurs so they can understand the AI space, because it's brand new for a lot of entrepreneurs and business owners, and they just don't have the time to get into it. But a lot of them do, because they see how many companies are already implementing it. So if you learn these skills, you can easily teach them and charge like, $100 to maybe even $300 per course for them to take it and just have all the information in one spot, so they don't have to scrounge around and try to get the information from a bunch of different places. Another way is by becoming an AI freelancer. This is where you just do various skills. This might be building chatbots or educating someone or just building a website using AI. No matter what field you're in, as an AI freelancer, you're just working on your own basically, and then partnering with different companies or entrepreneurs that need tasks done. And a great website you can put your services on is Fiverr or Upwork. And the last one is by starting a customer service or lead gen business like the one I started with Mail-to-Mailers. This is one of the most popular ways right now that you can get started on, and not that many people know about it yet though, so it's not oversaturated by far. Still, I would say have a couple more years before it becomes like that and people know that space very well, like SMMA or drop shipping. But right now it's early, and I highly recommend getting on it because, like I said, these type of opportunities don't come around that much. So you just want to pick your industry, which one you want to be in. Of course, you can pick more than one if you want to do consulting services and start up a business as well. In chatbot, you can do that, but just make sure you know where you're spending your time at. Okay, next is building a brand/portfolio. This one pretty much gets the ball rolling for you, because without it, it's going to be like 10 times harder to get customers and clients. So you just need to make sure you build up a solid brand/portfolio. You can do what I did like with Mailers, having your own website, and they can check out different chatbots on here and just something for them to come to so they can check out different reviews and services you offer. So having a website is amazing. I do have web development background, so I designed it myself. But if you don't know how to design a website, you can either learn it yourself, or you can go to Fiverr or Upwork, pay somebody like $7,500 to make you a website. Or if that just don't sound like something you want to do, you can do some projects for free. I know for free it sucks, but this will get you some referrals and reviews, so people can come to you and be like, oh, okay, I can check out some of his previous work from previous clients that you worked with. So people like reviews, so it just boosts your rating up because of the clients you already have. So doing projects for free, I would say 3 to 5. You don't have to do 10, 20, 30 different projects, just 3 to 5. Then the last way is showcasing your work on social media. Some great social medias for this will be Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube. You can easily showcase your work, because let's say you made a YouTube video showcasing how you developed a chatbot for a certain big client that you're working with, or a LinkedIn post explaining exactly how to build an amazing chatbot, and somebody read that or watch that needs a chatbot for their business. They're gonna be like, okay, this is a good guy to work with. Or in the future, when it becomes more popular and pretty much every business is using a chatbot, and they be like, where can I get someone to design a chatbot for me? And you come to mind thanks to that blog post or YouTube video you made. This is an excellent way to build up a brand/portfolio. Okay, next is marketing your services. This is very, very important as well. Without this, you don't get no business, because if you don't market your services, how will people find out about you? So make sure you don't skip out on this step. And the first way is paid ads. If you want to go to Facebook or LinkedIn or somewhere and just do paid ads, but honestly, I don't recommend this at first until you get a few clients under your belt and you have some money rolling in. Then you can invest it back into your business. So I would say this is a good way to market your services a little later down the line. But 2 ways that I highly recommend is going to be, first, educating businesses on LinkedIn. This is pretty much one of my favorite ways to market my chatbot business and my skills in AI. As you can see on my LinkedIn profile, at the end of it, I help business owners and entrepreneurs save money by implementing artificial intelligence. So on my page, I pretty much create blog posts around how they can use AI to better develop their business and save them money. So when you scroll down and you come to my blog post, as you can see, just 12 hours ago, I made a blog post around the role of AI automating financial reporting. And when they click on this and read this blog, they get information of how AI can save them money in the financial reporting industry or with their customer service chatbots or anything. So when they come to my page or need any information on AI, my page will be one of the first ones that come to mind because, you know, I create a lot of content on LinkedIn about it. So this is a free way you can easily get customers. And another way is by creating a YouTube channel. This is an amazing way you can build different chatbots or just educate people on AI. Only if you're comfortable with a YouTube channel. If you're not comfortable with making YouTube channels, then you can easily, you know, do the LinkedIn route, or you can go to Facebook. You can use Facebook as a great way because you can easily start up a blog on Facebook, or you just share relevant AI news on a page that you create for your business. And last, you can do cold calling / emailing. For me, I'm not really a big fan of this because it just takes a lot of effort to just go to some random person's email box or just call them and have to turn them into a paying customer. So I don't recommend it, but a lot of people do this. So if you want to go with that route, be my guest. I hope you have good luck with it. But these are some of the best ways you can market your service for if you're doing a chatbot business, or, you know, you're freelancing or something. Okay, and lastly, get started. Don't procrastinate this. Watching this video is your first step into AI training, but now it's time to get deeper and do more. Like I said, this is a rare opportunity. The earlier you get in on it, the more money you can make. But the AI industry, I feel like it's a little different because, you know, it's not just one thing. Like with dropshipping, that gets saturated and that's done. Amazon FBA, that's that one category. But with the AI industry, there's a lot of different ways you can make money with. So that's a huge benefit. But like I said, you need to get in early. The earlier you get in, you can be in the top 1%, 5%, 10% of earners in this field because it's just so new and it's the future. No matter, it's in every industry, any industry you can think of, everywhere from McDonald's to the healthcare service, they are using AI. So the more you learn about this field, the more in demand your skills are going to be. So get started. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and I wish you good luck in your journey. And don't forget to read the free guide below about starting your chatbot business. And until next time.